Struggling to find where to update your Gusto details? You're not alone. Follow this exact 3-minute walkthrough to edit your profile, location, and owners without support. We'll start with your personal details, then move to locations, add owners, and finish by submitting. Start by opening Gusto and landing on the company dashboard. Then click your profile icon in the top corner to access your personal menu. From that menu, choose Details to get to your personal information page. Go ahead and click Edit, then update your new details right in the form. When you're done, hit Save to keep those changes. Next, switch over to the Locations tab. Click Edit and enter your new location information. Then press Save to confirm your updated location. Now, let's handle the Owners section by clicking on Owners. Click Add Owner to bring up the options. Then choose Control Owner from the available selections. For the Control Owner, click and select BobbyDad AI as your example. Then click on Business Owners to move to that role. And for the Business Owner, again, select BobbyDad AI. Finally, click Submit Details to wrap everything up. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.